what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker back with another Yale Euro. Click on 1, click on 2, click on 3, I think that was click on 4. No? Wasn't we lost something there? Click on 3, click on 4, click on 5, click on 6 with some core movement, come back. Not 1. I think we're in between 2. Yeah. There we go. I messed it up here. Let's try this again. Nothing for 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. Nothing for 5. Click on 6. Click on 5. Little core movement. And work back towards the front. And we're in them. Woo! For the open. Let's get this thing gutted, shall we? Let's see what we're working with. Oh boy, these are my favorite types to cut. The pain in the weasel. Find our shim, because what do we always do when we cut a lock? That's right. We shim it. Your lock, somebody else's lock, basic lock, CL lock, shim them all. Man, look at that bump and drill protection in the front of that. That's nice. Okay, so we're going to start out on number 2, but chamber number 1 is your basic. Number 2 is a... Oh, no, these have serrates at the top. I'm sorry. These aren't basic. Nice. 5 and 6. Pull the shim. Let's get better tweezers than them. Start at chamber 1. Oh, that's a fucking beautiful pin. Let's pull that out. Let's see if we can't show thing is. That is awesome pen. Another one just like it. Another one just, these are the best Yale pens I think I've ever come across. Like mini spools or serrates, double spools or serrates. I thought it had a spool or two in it, but looks like I got two pretty good sets drops. What a special one this one was. Alright everybody, let's take a closer look. Look at them pens, that's pretty. So you know what to do. If you enjoyed this pick, make sure that you hit the like. If you're not subscribed and you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, turn that notification bell to all the time, because you guys don't want to miss any of this badass picking. That's right, awesome picking here. And make sure everybody has a good day, huh? Iffy picking, y'all.